Hey guys, I'm making this video just to help out someone on our group. Calum Robson posted a photo, and I asked him permission to edit it to try to remove someone from the background. So here goes. I'm going to open the file, if I can find it. Somewhere in here, sorry. There it is. Okay. So what I suggested he do with this was remove this dude from the background. So I'm going to use my selection tool and make a selection of this fellow in the front, selecting his hair and his face, and just most of this side, since that's where we need to remove his friend from. Okay, I'm going to hit Refine Edge, Smart Radius, set my radius to about 2, and then smooth it a little bit to like 3. I'm going to use the little symbol here to go around so it selects all the fine detail of his hair, and then the side of his face and the water bottle. I just follow right along the edge. I'll catch all of that, and I hit OK. So I'm going to hit Control J. I'm on a Windows. I can't remember. I think it's Command J on a Mac. And I'm also going to click here on my background and hit Control J again so that the layer that I'm working on is a copy of the background layer and I'm not affecting anything back here in the back. Alright. I'm going to get the clone tool, make it bigger, hit Alt to define my source that I want to take it from, and I'm just going to start painting over this guy right here. Alright, so we're hitting the edge. Come back, Alt again to define my source. Oops. I'm just going to keep Alt and clicking and coming back and grabbing me a new selection point to get him out of there. Since there's not a whole lot of room here to work with, it's just gonna, oh sorry, notifications on my phone. There's not a whole lot of room to work right here, so it's gonna take quite a few click and drag over here to make enough grass to work with. Still just Alt, click, paste. I have enough room right here to start just working from this side. Huh. We have a bunch of grass. This grass looks darker. Oops. Make that thing smaller. Quit phone. Oops. Didn't do it right. Okay. I feel like this big grass patch looks kind of funny, so I'm just going to get a brush. I'm going to hit Alt and grab some of this darker grass. I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to paint right here in this area. I just want to make it look a little bit more like it's supposed to be there. Which one of these to use though? Nope, we're not going to do that. We're going to set it back to normal and then lower the opacity a little bit. I'm just clicking on the random things. Clone tool again, and I just want to take out that darker grass at the bottom. I mean, I know it might look fake a little, but Caleb, I just wanted to show you that it is possible to do something like that. All I would do over here, flatten, and there you go. Save it. There's a few more little areas. Hang on. Control-Alt-Z. I'll come over here. See those little weird spots on his hair? I'm going to select that duplicated layer and make a mask for it. My mask is white. I'm going to get a brush, a black brush. I'll paint around here to get those strange halo-y colors off of him. There you go. Your little Photobomber is now out of your photo. Hope it helps. Thanks for letting me try.